Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice word problem. The question is 7 divided by 2 times a number is giving you 14. So what is the number? So whenever you come across something like this, first what we should always do is try to write the entire question in its mathematical form. So here let the number be what? X. Okay, so we are saying what? 7 divided by 2 times 2 into the number which will be what? X. Is always stands for equal to, giving you 14. So here what will happen is, see, whenever you have a division sign between two numbers, okay, especially when you're trying to calculate, you'll follow the rule of what? KCF. What does KCF mean? K stands for keeping the first number as it is, so we'll do this 7 only. C stands for changing the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flipping or taking the reciprocal of the next number. So we have 2x. So reciprocal of 2x is what? 1 upon 2x equals to 14. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll keep the numbers on one side. So we'll divide both sides by 14. Okay. So here what we will get is, therefore this is cancelling 1s and 2s, and this is obviously cancelling and getting your 1. So we are getting what? 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2x equals to 1. So now let's shift the x on this side. So basically multiplying both sides by x, we'll get 1 upon 4 equals to x. So this, my dear friend, is the answer for this particular question. Now let's try and put this in your original form. Okay, so what happens is we'll start with putting 7, then divided by 2 times x. Instead of x, we'll put 1 upon 4. Okay, so now that will get you what? 7 divided by, this is cancelling 1s and 2s. So here we'll get what? 1 upon 2. Now again we'll follow the rule of KCF. Means again, whenever there's a division sign, you have to remember this rule. So what happens is we'll keep 7 as it is. Change this division sign to multiplication. And then F stands for flipping. So that means reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that gets you 2. So eventually that gets you what? 7 into 2, which gets you 14. And this is what you wanted in your RHS. Okay, so here we can say the answer for this particular question is what? X equals to 1 upon 4. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.